What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Bass Brawlers TV. If you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you do, because today we're out here doing the fishing lure challenge with my sister. Say what up, B. There you go. She said what up. Okie dokie. So, we're going to be taking my backpack, and we're going to be using lures in here to try to catch a fish. You saw part 1. That was awesome. Now, it is part 2. So, who will win? I don't know. But, whoever wins the fishing lure challenge gets this free little jig. And it comes with 2 beetle spin. So, good job. We'll get all our lure boxes. Sorry about that. That was for the fishing tournament that I was hosting, and we'll have to reschedule that because people had to reschedule. Which is not a reschedule thing, but there were so many people I had to reschedule, so yeah. Great. Wait, what? Oh, great.
The inside.
Oh, great. Without further ado, let's begin. The fishing lure challenge. Bishop, we can use any. It's fine. We can use any of these. We can do bass rigs. We can do whatever we would like. You could go fishing for grass carp. Yes. Yes. That's why there's these big treble hooks right here that you can use. But, without further ado, on your mark.
Wait. Hold on. Let me get this on tape.
Get set, go. I have to get my rod out anyway. And it can be a bluegill, a big bluegill. Right now I have a...
got the worms again.
Yeah, it's fine. Alright.
Ethan, I need help getting this roller hook.
Since I'm such a nice brother, I'll help you.
Wait, do you just have pliers? Because I'm going to need help with that thing every single time.
Yes, I do have the pliers. They're all in here. There's a small pair to fix stuff. There's a bad pair.
Where's your water poppers? Right here.
Yes, those are the Whopper Ploppers.
Where's the black one?
We have to keep looking for these giants. WD-40 always doing its job. Fixed. Sweet. Alright. I already have my lure tied on, so. Oh, Bishop. Look. Just look. Behind you. Oh my gosh, you about just hooked herself. Look. It's my new chatterbait. See? So yeah. one Whopper Plopper left in here. That was my first Whopper Plopper I ever got. We got a lot of topwater frogs. I got my Whopper Plopper on right now, so without further ado, let's get fishing. And yes, dang, don't keep pulling, just don't keep pulling. On your mark, get set, go.
Is it like the Whopper Plopper challenge?
Sure, top water challenge only. This is the only top water challenge, you guys. We can only use top water baits. Ducks are loud. Like always. Whoa. It's because you're a treble hook. Oh my gosh, Bishop's is big and loud. We cast it in the same spot. Whoops. My gosh, yours is loud. They use those
Nothing's biting with it.
Well, this is the carp end, grass carp end. And there's only one species of carp in here, and you guessed it, it's grass carp. That's the only species I want in here. I don't want any other common carp or, I don't know. Common carp, I don't mind them, but grass carp are the best. Well, right now we're at the end where there's just grass carp, like I said. One just popped out of nowhere. We might have to go down to a small pond. I love the big pond to death, and right now, if we were to be doing this and the pond never got hammered, we would be getting bass right now like crazy, you know? I know we would. Alright, let's head down to a small pond. I love you, big pond, but you got not a lot of bass in here, so I'm sorry. You don't even have a catfish in here anymore because Frank died. We gotta get While we're waiting, we could toss out the catfish dipping bait. No, I didn't bring the rod.
No, it's okay.
We'll get Earl out of there another day.
My tail rod?
Earl's the 18-pound channel catfish.
I think Pearl.
She calls us Pearl, but even though it's a boy's Earl, but she can say it's Earl. Anywho, let's get ready to head down there. What should I do with these signs?
I would just say, because you're gonna do another.
Oh, I have an idea. I'm a dinosaur. Sorry, that song's stuck in my head, y'all. It is.
I said,
Ouch. Smack myself in the head with the broom. Great. Alright.
there's a spider on my feet.
It's fine. I knew you were going to say no, it's not. Or at least we have tons of top waters in here. At the small pond, it's been thousands of top water. I mean thousands. I don't even know why I took the saltwater kit out, but I did.
You're creeping me out, you spider.
Bring back my... Hey, don't use that.
I caught him.
Okay, please bring it back, please.
Successful. Successful.
Thanks for killing it on my carp kit.
I didn't kill it. I pulled it off.
Or do that to it.
Backpack where we had it before and I'll and get these papers and put those somewhere because I don't know. I'll get your bag.
Okay, get my bag.
Okay, right here. Count it.
You're welcome. Bishop, you should have yourself a fishing wall.
I don't have a board.
You should ask for one.
I did.
Or just buy one. They're cheap. Because I might get another one. Yep. Oh, whoopsies. Yep, I cracked that. Great. Have to get a new one.
You can pay for it.
You can tell it's just not good.
Well, you also
Yeah. Look how bad that is.
throw it away. It should not do that, people. Can I please try? Please. Please.
No, but you can drive home and do all sorts of other stuff. You can drive home and do.
I'll let you drive home.
You. Well, you're gonna drive home, B.
I don't want to drive home.
B.
But I don't want to drive home.
Bishop.
Please.
No.
But you never let me go. And it's not your decision.
All right, you can drive. They want up the Max Rollins. Yeah.
Do you want me to go that way or that way? I
Go
think
that-
the road
go
is
that
going to be better.
No. Let's see where that stuff was. I'm a sometimes it's wet.
It was just mud. I just followed the mud.
Or do you want to throw the basket at the end? Oh. My pliers came through. You can't turn my camera that way, bro. Yeah, bro.
I get the first net.
We're not here to net those fish.
There's just no fear. There's a ton of fish in it. Me and Elia were doing it yesterday and there were so many.
You were?
Yes.
With what net? How'd you get my net? Bishop! You stole my net. That's messed up. But yes, really.
I got it. I got a fishy.
Cool. She got one fish. Let's see what we can catch on the Whopper Plepper. If I see a big grass carp, I'm going to catch it. That's why I said if I see a big grass carp, I'm gonna catch it. Ew, you don't want to eat grass carp. All the bass have been mainly blowing up on these edges. I'm using this Whopper Plopper black and gray. Awesome, you guys. I'm just going to keep casting along these edges. So I feel like there's going to be a giant somewhere up in here. I'm going to do a cast on the middle. Might go with the chatter donk. Wow, there were some, oh my gosh, there's a feeding frenzy over there. Over there near that tree, there's minnows jumping out of the water like crazy. That means there's a bass. Don't get too close, you just want to try to cast up in there, not get snagged. This is when the bucket pays off, Bishop, for these. This is when you want. What? That's money. Why? Not yet. Her whopper popper is very loud, you can see. That's gonna be money. Oh, that just sounds so good. Hold on, I'm gonna do another cast. Ooh, watch out. Why? I want to use it.
Because I want to do rocks, please.
But if you get a backlash,
I want
last one. You should keep doing cast.
Yours is so silent.
Last one. Okay, sorry. Nah.
That was terrible.
Open bell.
really biting too.
You just gotta give it a second, girl. What the heck?
What did you do to my lunch? He's dead.
I'm cutting it. I'm gonna retie everything. You have way more time to win right now. Those pliers suck for cutting braided. These pliers cut braided. See? Look at those pliers just slicing through braid like it's nothing. Cool, right? I like talking to you. I like talking to my GoPro. She's still. Imagine if a bluegill were to blow up a lure.
Did you not bring any snacks?
No.
With the ice cream truck comes by,
Yes, we're
we
getting.
should get a Snoopy. Because we have one. Do they have funnel cakes?
Yes. Well, some of them do.
It's the bad one thing. They have funnel cakes.
And they have Twix bars.
It's too hot for chocolate. It's too hot for funnel cakes, probably. But I want one.
Get an icy.
I want because I'm hungry. And funnel cakes sound amazing. Hurry to the Lord that the asking comes. Hopefully it's the bad one.
Not the Spongy Bob.
No. They haven't even been having the SpongeBob's. They've been having like the Spider-Man.
What was that?
Thanks. What the heck?
It sounded like a raccoon.
No, it sounded like some evil little gremlin.
Yeah. Raccoons are like. "Eh."
That's a hyena.
No, I'm telling you, raccoons sound.
If it's a raccoon, it has rabies. Come here. I'm getting your pie.
And you think you'll survive from a raccoon from that?
It can't. What? No.
Yes, it can. It can literally climb that easily.
It can?
He's probably way up in that tree, B.
Ew.
They literally live in trees.
I thought they lived in the ground.
No.
I'm gonna ask you this. Because I don't think
Go for it. Gosh, this is a heavy lure for such a small little ultralight. Oh my gosh, it casts out far.
Do hyenas climb trees? Oh, not hyenas. Do raccoons climb trees? What? They do? That's creepy.
They literally live in trees.
They're like pandas.
Pandas. Pandas is crazy.
Be near that tree if you can. his music.
His mu- This is so freaking weird, reeling in this big of a lure on ultralight.
It's a hyena.
That just sounds like a bull. My gosh, this lure. Oh, there's a bass bed right there. Told you.
That was definitely a raccoon. I got a bird's nest.
For real?
I'm gonna play raccoon.
It's so weird reeling in. By the way, this is a saltwater lure, whopper popper. So it's made for like tarpon, bonita, I don't know what else.
I'm gonna play the most annoying sounds.
I mean, look how big this whopper popper is, you guys. This is a mess. Come on, this is a top water challenge. You can use anything. You don't have to use whopper poppers. Yeah.
Ooh, catch the turtle. Aww. That would hurt his head anyways.
There. Bruh.
Hey.
Bishop, you did have a back.
Again. There's a raccoon.
And then here's a normal whopper plopper. Way bigger difference. Way bigger difference. Oh, that cast was beautiful. Bruh. What? beautiful. Just beautiful. What? A pink dragonfly. Oh my gosh, it is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but you didn't fix it.
Because it become more of a bird's nest. All I want to do is I want to see one of those eels.
You want to see another American eel?
Mm-hmm.
We saw so many that night when the pond was dying. Yeah.
Without the pokey thing in the back.
Yeah.
I'm done with the competition.
Okay, well, you guys, I won because I had at least a big bite. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for watching, and catch you on the next one, you guys. Peace.